Welcome back to the Community Corner podcast, where we explore the companies in the S500 through the lens of behavioral finance. I'm Arnav.
And I'm Nikhil. Today, we're focusing on Mid-America Apartment Communities MA, a major player in the real estate sector, particularly in the multifamily residential market. MAA is known for its extensive portfolio of apartment communities across the United States. We'll discuss how behavioral finance impacts their decision-making, diversity and inclusion efforts, adaptation to different markets, and how they compare to other companies in the real estate industry. Let's get started.
Mid-America Apartment Communities operates in a competitive real estate market. From a behavioral finance perspective, how do biases like herding behavior and overconfidence impact their investment and management strategies?
Herding behavior can significantly influence MAA investment strategies, especially in choosing new markets or development projects. Real estate firms often follow industry trends and benchmarks set by other successful companies, which can lead to clustering in high-demand areas or popular property types. This behavior can create opportunities but also risks of oversupply or inflated property values. Overconfidence is another factor, particularly in property management and development. MAA confidence in their market analysis and property management expertise might lead them to take on more projects or enter new markets with the belief that their strategies will always yield high returns. While this confidence can drive growth, it also requires careful risk management to avoid potential pitfalls.
And this influence of behavioral biases helps shape MAA approach to investment and property management, affecting their market positioning and financial performance.
Exactly. By understanding these biases, MAA can better navigate the complexities of the real estate market, leveraging industry trends while being mindful of potential risks. Their approach to investment and management is a balance of strategic confidence and market awareness.
Let's talk about diversity, equity, and inclusion day at Mid-America Apartment Communities. As a company with a large workforce and a diverse customer base, how does DEI intersect with behavioral finance?
DEI is crucial for MAA, particularly in the real estate sector where understanding diverse tenant needs and fostering an inclusive work environment can drive success. From a behavioral finance perspective, strong DEI initiatives can enhance the company's ability to connect with a wide range of tenants and employees, leading to better decision-making and innovation. A diverse team can provide insights into different market segments, helping MAA tailor its properties and services to meet varied customer preferences. For investors, MAA commitment to DEI can be seen as a positive signal of the company's alignment with contemporary social values, potentially boosting its reputation and attractiveness to investors who prioritize corporate social responsibility.
Investors are increasingly considering DEI in their evaluations, especially in sectors like real estate, where understanding and addressing the needs of diverse populations is key to long-term success.
Absolutely. By embedding DEI into their corporate culture, MAA not only improves its market reach but also strengthens its brand and operational effectiveness, making it a more appealing choice for socially conscious investors.
Moving on to market adaptation, Mid-America Apartment Communities operates in various regions across the U.S. How does the company adapt to different markets, and what role does behavioral finance play in this?
MAA market adaptation strategy involves tailoring its property offerings and management practices to the specific needs of different regions. This includes understanding local economic conditions, tenant preferences, and regulatory environments. From a behavioral finance perspective, this adaptability helps address the familiarity bias, where tenants prefer properties that meet their specific needs and expectations. MAA's ability to analyze local market conditions and adjust its strategies accordingly allows it to remain competitive and relevant in diverse regions. This approach also helps mitigate risks associated with regional economic fluctuations and shifts in tenant demand.
And this adaptability is essential for MAA, especially as they navigate different regional markets and respond to changing economic conditions.
Exactly. By effectively adapting to various market conditions, MAA can maintain a strong presence across different regions, leveraging local insights to optimize its property offerings and management strategies.
Now, let's compare Mid-America apartment communities to other real estate companies like Equity Residential, Avalon Bay Communities, and Essex Property Trust. How do the behavioral finance dynamics differ?
MAA behavioral finance dynamics can be compared to those of other real estate giants like Equity Residential, Avalon Bay Communities, and Essex Property Trust, particularly in their approach to property management, investment strategies, and market adaptation. Equity Residential focuses on urban apartment communities, often targeting high-density markets with a strong emphasis on amenities and location. Avalon Bay Communities also targets high-demand urban areas but places a strong emphasis on sustainability and community development. Essex Property Trust, with a focus on the West Coast, emphasizes property development and management with a strong local market focus. MAA approach combines a broad geographic presence with a focus on both urban and suburban markets, leveraging a diverse portfolio to balance risk and return.
And unlike Equity Residential, which may focus more on urban centers, MAA's strength lies in its ability to manage a diverse range of properties across various markets, offering both urban and suburban options.
Exactly. Each of these companies has its own set of behavioral finance dynamics that influence how investors perceive their value and potential risks. MAA's broad market presence and diverse property portfolio provide a unique value proposition in the real estate industry.
To sum up, Mid-America apartment communities' approach to business is influenced by various behavioral finance principles, whether it's through their investment strategies, market adaptation, or DEI initiatives. Understanding these dynamics offers insights into what drives MAA performance and where potential opportunities and risks lie.
That's right. By examining these factors, we gain a clearer understanding of MAA position in the real estate market and its overall business strategy.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of the Community Corner podcast. Until next time, I'm Arnav.
And I'm Nikhil. Stay curious and keep questioning the narratives.